this week's episode of Soul Fitness TV. My name is Whitney, and this is my soulful hubby, Jose.
Mi gente!
So in this week's episode, we're addressing a question that we get asked a lot, which is, what supplements do we take?
Muchas personas preguntan qué suplemento tomamos.
So we're going to start over here on Jose's side of the table, and then we'll move over to my side.
So, lo mío es simple. Proteína orgánica, el aceite MCT y vitamina D, que es muy importante en el invierno.
So vitamin D, especially since we live in Wisconsin and we don't see the sun or don't spend a lot of time in the sun for a lot of months, vitamin D is really good to supplement along with your other vitamins. And then Jose's protein is a grass-fed whey protein. If you haven't tried grass-fed whey, give it a go. It's amazing, he says.
No sugar.
And then over on my side of the table, I have a plant-based protein powder. I have Natural Calm. This is great. It's an anti-stress drink. We all encounter stress throughout our life. This helps our bodies recover, both mentally and physically, from those stressors. I take a multivitamin. This is just to supplement what we already get from our diet. So we really prefer to get our vitamins from the food and vegetables that we eat, but this helps supplement if there's anything missing. And then finally, I take Great Lakes brand gelatin. So this is a collagen. It's a drink. It's a powder that you can add in to your tea or to a glass of water. And this is wonderful because after you turn like 25, you stop producing your own collagen. So this helps boost both your skin, your hair, your nails, everything.
Y también me tomo eso porque me ayuda a mantener la piel limpiecita.
Yeah. So anytime that I bring home a new face lotion, a new eye cream, this gelatin, he starts taking it. Oh, Whitney, what is that? I must try it too. Keep young. Oh. And so we'll include all of these in the description below. So if you want to give one of them a go, you'll have all of the tools at your fingertips to see how you can get your hands on one of these supplements. So we hope that this is helpful for you. We love getting these ideas from you. If you have any other suggestions, let us know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please become a subscriber so that you receive our weekly videos. And again, thank you so much for watching.
Y suscríbete, por favor, y cualquier pregunta, déjanos saber.
So, as we like to say, be strong inside and out, and we'll see you next week.
Fuerte por dentro y por fuera.